Hey Cornelius! Oh, I can't believe it's only a few weeks away until May Day Fairy Fest. And actually, I found another Fairy Fest this week at the London Valley Mall in London, PA. Forge Fantasy Fairy Fest, I believe. So, I have a lot of getting ready to do. But there's always time for fairy toys. Let's see. Oops. Bloom? Flower pot girls? I think some flower pixies are just what we needed to prepare for a May Day Fairy Festival. I say, let's open them up! Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z. This is Cornelius, and today we're bringing you Bloom by Skyrocket. This is a kind of series of dolls. We have an assortment. But again, trying to find things that I thought were appropriate for a Fairy Fest. May Day Fairy Fest, flowers of spring, little pixies that come out of them. I was like, perfect. So I say we're gonna start with the big ones first because this is one of those where you open up and it's like a bajillion and one surprises and involves water as well. So it might be time to get messy. Do not remove sticker until you water and remove doll. Wait, I'm watering the doll? So apparently this is series 2. Oh dear, okay. Oh my god. Yay! Our favorite part. Somewhere it shows you all the dolls you can get and accessories. And directions. This is one we will follow directions for. What the heck? I'm nervous, so I just pulled some sort of tag. Oh, and some stickers. Why not? It is cute. It does kind of look like soil with a little pot. So I do have a glass of water. I guess we're gonna fill this up with and water. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. It's still moving. Oh my God, it's still birthing. Oh dear Lord. I'm scared. Ow! It's squishy. Okay, so now I guess we just open up. It looks like there's a leaf, 2 flowers, and a door container. Let's pop those suckers off. Oh, got a nice little fur jacket. Faux fur, I'm sure. You know what? It's fairies. Let's say it's moss. Yellow leaf buddy kind of guy. I love him. Little blue shoes. I kind of expected something bigger, but just a pair of flower glasses. Oh my gosh. Okay, well let's get her dressed. She needs her outfit on. Oh my god. It's cool because the top is like one of the stress squishies and it's insanely, it's got a good texture to it. Alright, number 2. Alright, I'm gonna bring this one closer and try not to yeet it when it starts to come out. Hi, we're getting up close and personal now. Kind of unnerving, but also cool. A pair of shorts and a top, 2 pieces there. Candy creature, different style of shoe and different color. Heart-shaped glasses. And this one is Penny. Holes in the feet, but then the holes in the shoe that go into the holes in the feet, the pegs. Genius. Because God knows these things are top heavy. Oh god, that's just alright. Now, for the Bloom Baby Pop. That just pull, I suppose. Oh my god, it actually popped. That's so much fun. Do it again. Alright, so we have 2 kind of seed pods, I guess kind of like a bulb. Unscrew. Okay, bye. Oh, good god, I think it's supposed to be a container of baby wipes. Purple broccoli? Why is it like encased in like a rubber sack? So you're left with this rubbery baby shaped shell. Things again that get said on the show. Okay. So this is like a little crystal baby. Let's open up the other one. Oh, a little cabbage. A pretzel? What's this baby doing with a pretzel? Can babies have pretzels? I don't think babies can have pretzels. I don't know much about babies, but if there was one near me, I don't think I'd give it a pretzel. Oh, so we have, why is this one in a blue sack? So we have a sleepy baby and a very upset baby. I'm supposed to dunk it in water? Alright. So this one, I guess pink means girl. You know, it can mean whatever you want. It looks like we have two girls, sleepy and angry. And still a part of the series are the Bloom Crystal Fairies. So it says, remove to try me. I should have that pin as well. There's that. Oh, things are happening. So it seems to be motion activated. Just shaking her violently changes her hair colors. And she has no legs, so she's an easy stand. There we go. So here you have the Flower Pot Girls, the Baby Pops, and the Crystal Fairies. Overall, I gotta say this is an interesting series of dolls. I'm impressed with the packaging gimmick. With these little, I'm saving these, I don't know what for. Oh, there was another, why? Why is this child coming with an iPhone? So the gimmick of these, watering it and having it creepily come out, it was growing out of the pot, was so cool. I'm enjoying this series. Again, anytime you include nature and mystical elements, obviously if you've seen this channel, we're here for it. But yeah, overall, I feel there's something in this Bloom line pretty much for everyone that would be into dolls or fairies or both. So I think this was a little getting ready for May Day win. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you tune in next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. Tiny little creatures that emerge kind of frighteningly from the soil. Yeah, I guess it's supposed to be growing, but that was just kind of I don't know what that was, but I liked it. Just slightly disturbing. Also, don't forget the May Day Fairy Festival at Rocky Point Park in Baltimore County, Maryland is coming up May 4th and 5th weekend. Definitely go check it out. It's going to be an awesome time. So hopefully I will see you there. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye. And here we have the whole Bloom family. Just blooming with fun. See what I did there? Yeah, it was bad. I'm going to go now. Bye.